In this video, we are going to unbox the i-mop Lite and show you step-by-step how to assemble your new i-mop. First, open the top of the box and bend the 4 flaps backwards to see the contents of the box. We have the manual. Here you can find all important information and safety instructions. The i-mop wall chart. Always keep this in a visible place. Then you can take out the squeegee. After that, take out the cardboard covers. Then it's time for the battery. In the box, you'll find a charger and power cord. The type of power cord depends on the electrical connection of your country. Attach the cord and plug it in. The charger now has power. Also in the box, or supplied separately, you'll find the battery. Take it and plug in the charger. Push this button on the battery to check the power level. Then you can take out the body of the i-mop. This contains the control panel, triggers, solution and recovery tank, motors, and scrubbing deck. Then you can take out the brushes and splash guards. The splash guards are specially made to keep the water under the scrubbing deck. Now that you have all the parts ready, it's time to assemble your i-mop. First, click in the splash guards like this. Then click in the 2 brushes left and right. Once assembled, they are locked in place and cannot fall off. And lastly, the squeegee. Line up the suction mouth with the opening on the scrub deck. Align the 2 pins on the scrub deck with the holes on the squeegee and push it into place. Then it's time for the last step. When the battery is full, attach the battery onto your i-mop Lite. Now, you are almost ready to start cleaning.